Welcome to MVC Net Core. In this video, we're going to look at the MVC pattern for web development. If you've been learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and even PHP, consider this as your next evolutionary step as a web developer. First, it's important to recognize this is a very different paradigm than you may be used to. The goal of this video is to explain what is and dispense with what is not, or what was in the past in terms of MVC. And as you can see here, MVC stands for Model View Control, and it works within the .NET Core framework. So what happens when you Google? As the client, you navigate to some website. Your actions send you to a server. But that server is not holding data from your database exactly. It holds the locations of the websites you're looking for to gain access to things you are looking for. Finally, when you arrive at the right place and locate an item, at that point, you interact with the actual persistent data like your user ID or items in your checkout. The truth is, even if you haven't been aware of MVC, you've been implementing it for years. You, the client, are the view, and you've been able to navigate to websites because of your controller. And finally, you have sent and received data to the model. What have you learned to do so far? As a developer, you've learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Perhaps you have also done some Linux and other server-side programming. And finally, you've learned about SQL or NoSQL and PHP, maybe even some MongoDB, but you've done some work with a relational or non-relational database. And this is the pattern that just consistently repeats itself over and over. Let's go look at the model for a minute. The model sends and receives from the database. It processes data to and from the database. It speaks only with the controller. That's a very important thing that you must understand. It never speaks with the view. And here's the view. This is what you are accustomed to look at. As a developer, you're primarily dealing with HTML and CSS. It only listens to the controller. It never speaks to the model. And finally, we've got the controller. Processes get, post, update, delete requests. It does all the server-side logic, and you have to consider that it is the middleman. It takes info from the user, processes the info from the database, and tells Vue what to show the user. It is really important that you adapt your thinking to this web development pattern. In the next few lessons, we will cover each of the MVC components in more detail. See you in the next video.